Hi, welcome to our channel Jobvilla. Today we are going to discuss some jobs a multinational company having announced for Iraq project. These jobs are present in Basra city, so we discuss the details of the jobs in this video in next minutes. So we are looking for expat Eastern and Western. Positions are commissioning engineer, electrical maintenance advisor, electrical project manager, HSSE team leader, instrument maintenance advisor, lead planner, lifting supervisor, maintenance advisor, material management lead, maximo expert team leader, operations advisor, QC leader, reliability engineer, rotating equipment maintenance advisor, scaffolding technical authority, senior consultant supervisor, tank construction manager, TOR completion engineer E&I, TOR completion engineer mechanical, TOR coordinator, TOR lead planner, vessel repair project manager. These positions are present in Basra, Iraq in KBR company. So apply with confidence in these positions. Send your CV to recruitment.me@kbr.com. We hope these positions are helpful for you to grab some jobs in multinational company. So send your CV and also like this video and share with others to reach the peoples that want to grab this type of jobs. Also subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon button to get the video notifications when new video will come. Thank you.